Hello you guys. So I had a person ask a question, one of my subscribers, and I wanted to answer the question, but I wanted to make a video of it because I figured maybe some of you could benefit from this question. As you see, I am on Silhouette Studio, and the question was how to put trace lines around an image. And I didn't want to just walk you through and put the trace lines on it. I wanted to show you exactly how to pull up the image itself. So I'm gonna go here and show you that I pulled up a circular vector image already. Just Googled circle vector image. You want to do vector images because they have smoother edges and they are better quality than just a regular image. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the image, do save as, then I am going to go to, I'm gonna save it to my desktop. So now I'm going to go to save. I'm going to go to my Silhouette Studio again, and then I'm going to go over here in the corner to file. See here, file, and then I'm going to open. And there's the circle right there, okay? Okay, so then once I open the circle, okay, I'm gonna go over here to this little butterfly looking thing. See right here what it says, little butterfly thing? Click on that, and then it says select trace area. Now you can select trace area, or sometimes you can do it with this little dropper thing. You can do it by color. So if you wanted to just do the white part and take that away, then you can highlight the white part, or you can just highlight the black part. But just for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and just do the little butterfly. All right, so then I'm going to select the whole circle. Okay, now this is what's supposed to happen. Whatever the image is that you're trying to do, you want the whole thing to be yellow. All right, so once you do that, you want to go right here at the bottom, see where it says trace style? You want to click trace. All right, so once you click trace, sorry y'all. All right, you just traced it. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and thank you for coming back to Marcella's Way.